Mabuhay! Maayong buntag sa tanan akong followers, viewers, o supporters. Guys, ako si Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Today is ikaduhang adlaw sa Enero, January 2, 2025. First day of duty, nag-resume na ako sa trabaho din sa office, guys. A blessed New Year to everyone. In this brand new year of 2025, I place my hope, I place my wishes and dreams to God. My blessings, favor, focus, peace, love, faith, grace, in hope. I've always entrusted that to the Lord. I hope that this brand new year of 2025, all of us will